Yeah, I know that's a great trade. I know that's a great trade. And yeah, I clearly caught that trade. What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading week, and I still pray that you guys are doing all that you have to do to better yourselves and to make sure that you forever stay 1% better than what you were the previous day, week, month, year, and the previous decade, right? So this is your boy Halima Repeat, and we're back with another banger. So today I want to share with you guys how I took a trade on the NASDAQ. I think on Tuesday. I think it was on Tuesday. CPI. I can't remember clearly what fundamentals were there at the time, but I want to share with you guys how we at the COT Academy, the private group, not the free one, because this trade was mainly shared because if you understood how to trade the COT Academy way, it could have been much easier for you to capitalize, even though I didn't share this trade idea, right? But before I get any further with the video, make sure that you guys smash that like button, that you click that subscribe button, that you turn on the notification bell, and that you share the video, you comment on the video, you click the link to sign up with the broker that I use, or to check out my day in the live vlogs. I still left my link right there. Or if you're looking for a legitimate Forex trading mentorship course, or if you're looking for like legitimate mentor in general, COT Academy has started COT Academy has opened 3 programs. We're having a 3-day session, which is a 3-day one-on-one session where we teach you guys and show you guys how to trade and capitalize independently for 3 days. We're having that one-on-one, which is basically like 1 day, right? And we're having that virtual session, which is basically like 30 days. We're working on the Zoom. So you can choose which do you prefer, and the COT Academy do the rest from there. But without further ado, guys, let me share with you guys how we took this trade during CPI and how you guys can also capitalize independently without me or anyone else out there, right? So when we head over to the charts, guys, when we head over to the charts, this is where we're going to be focusing on here. This whole zone was where we put our money to work, right? But it all starts with what? With this resistance. Let me mark out this resistance, right? Or let me just mark out this high, this intraday high, right? So price once printed out this higher high, right, and printed out this higher low, right, pushed, created this higher high, breaking above this higher high, right, and created this new high. So from breaking this high, creating this new high, and pulling back below this very same resistance, and breaking past outside and breaking this high, creating this what? Creating this new high, which looked like some type of double top, right? So when you see that, okay, price set this higher high and price set this higher low, price set this higher high, price set this higher low, price set this higher high, and price hasn't printed out a higher low. Okay, I'm sorry, some traders can say rejections are also higher lows, but for me, long as price has printed out something like this, or long as there's a body, or long as there's a close and a open of a Satan candlestick, that's when I can confirm that, okay, we are having a certain higher high or a certain higher low. So in this instance, right, you guys know that, okay, we created highs, we're having highs, right, and we're having this resistance. So on Tuesday when I woke up, on Tuesday, guys, I saw that, okay, where price is currently trading will still are bullish, right? Will still are above this resistance, right here, right? So when I saw that, okay, price is still above this resistance, I woke up and told myself, after I analyzed, that if I'm looking to continue moving to the upside with the direction that I anticipate, let me just wait for what? Let me wait for price to violate. Let me simply wait for what? For price to violate this double top, right? Or this 2 highs, right? If we can get a violation of this 2 highs or a break above of this 2 highs, I will simply do it, continue moving to the upside with my word. I will continue moving to the upside with my direction. But if we have a fall to break of those highs, and once price breaks below this low, this resistance, then I'll be certain and more confident to do what? To anticipate a further continuation or that reversal moving to the downside. Do you guys get that? We had 2 anticipations, or we had 2 setups or 2 trade ideas on Tuesday. One, price had price is a high, right? Price is higher high, price is a higher high. If we're looking to continue moving to the upside, creating a new higher high, looking for the new higher high, can we at least get a violation of the highs or break above those highs and a close above of those highs, anticipate a continuation to the upside? Or if price fails to break above the highs and breaks past or breaks below or violates our resistance, then I guess we'd have to wait for what? For candle close below that resistance or those lows or just that zone, and anticipate what? A further reversal moving to the downside. Do you guys get that? So when you now see that, okay, price continued moving, and when CPI hit, which was 2:30, which was 14:30 p.m. in Southern Africa, which is, I think it's 1:30 p.m. I think it's 1:30 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. UK time, and I'm not sure. I think it's 8:30. I think it's 8:30 in the United States. I'm not sure, guys, right? So when I saw 8:30 a.m., right, not p.m., 8:30 a.m., right? So when I saw that, okay, price is now having CPI, I saw this candlestick, boom, breaking below our resistance or our zone or our lows, right? And once this candlestick broke below, I anticipated that if it happens that price closes below that very same resistance zone or the previous higher high or those intraday lows, then I guess I would look forward for that possible continuation or that reversal to the downside based on price giving us a bear engulfing candlestick. But unfortunately, it happened that this bear candlestick turned and somehow closed above. So once this candlestick closed above, right, closed above our what? Our highs, our zone, our resistance, or just that key level in general, depending on what you call it, I told myself that, okay, with price rejecting the zone and still closing above our resistance, you guys know that once we are above resistance, we're looking to be bullish. Once we're below, we continue bearish, or we reverse and we be bearish, right? So once price closed above this very same resistance, I told myself, and I told the COT Academy team that, guys, you can clearly see that CPI has rejected our resistance, or it has took that resistance out. It cancelled that resistance, right? Once it closed above, I told the COT Academy team, I repeat, guys, we have violated our resistance and we closed above our resistance. Once the coming candlestick trades bullish or breaks past the very same candlestick, that CPI candlestick, then we can simply anticipate what? A continuation to the upside. Do you guys get that? And in this instance, when you clearly see that, okay, this candlestick rejected and the coming candle had a bear open and a flip and traded bullish, right? So once the candlestick flipped and traded bullish, we had an anticipation of a 40 pip stop below our zone, and we targeted this very same highs, right? And we had a clean target of what? Those very same highs. Do you guys get that? Because we were not looking for a big move to the upside, because we're not sure of what might happen, because it's London, it's New York Open, and it's CPI. We're not sure of what might happen, but we just targeted what? Previous highs that we believed that if price doesn't break past above, we might have some certain reaction of those highs. And in this instance, price did what? Price simply moved to the upside and closed above. So guys, let me make you guys understand one thing. This trade wasn't very hard, and this trade wasn't very simple. It's mainly based on you as a trader having to understand that where is our price trading at, and what zones are we having, how is price reacting off of those zones, and what might we possibly get or see once price reacts in a certain way in that very same zone. And in this instance, we had price trading above, we had price holding resistance and price violating resistance, and price unfortunately leaving a wick below and a body closing above that very same resistance, with the coming candlestick having a bear open and a candle flip trading bullish. We anticipated that move to the upside, and we just stayed, and we spent like how many minutes? Like 45. I think we spent like 45 or an hour on this trade, and TP hit and we went about our day. Do you guys get that? So in this video, I don't want to brag about how I caught this great trade or how I caught the simple trade, but I want to make you guys understand that when we're having fundamentals, You don't have to be the first trader that execute right at the spot. Wait and wait and wait and gather information and use your skill or your strategy and use your skill and your strategy hand in hand with what price is showing you, and do what is showing you, not what you think. Many traders thought that price might still continue moving down, but unfortunately price moved to the upside. So when you understood that, okay, we're having a zone and price has rejected that zone and still closed above that very same zone, with the coming candlestick flipping from bear to bullish, moving to the upside. That's how we anticipated this trade, and that's how we took this trade. Do you guys get that? I pray, and I hope that this video was informative for you guys, and you took something from this video, you've learned something from this video, and you still are going to share this video and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with other traders who are still seeking the information that you've just came across. I'm talking to you brother, you sister, you mama, you papa, you granny, you. I'm talking to you. After you've watched this wonderful video and took these gems, please share the video with another trader that is seeking such information like you have found the information that you were seeking, so they can also benefit like you have benefited. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, this your boy Harlem, King COT. I want to meet you guys and I want to see you guys on this one-on-ones, so I can help you guys and assist you guys and give you the gems that I have gathered and that I have came up with and that I have made easy and made clear, so you guys can benefit and capitalize independently without relying on anyone, XYZ, ABC, 1, 2, 3, fake mentor, real mentor, none of that shit. But without further ado, guys, this is your boy Harlem. I appreciate the love, I appreciate the support, I appreciate all that you guys are doing for me. I want to win with you guys, and I want to see the rest of this big world with you guys. It's COT Academy to the world. It's COT Academy to the world. This is your boy Harlem, King COT, and we're signing out.